everybody. So today we are going over the 1-5 Exploring Transformations Day 1 practice. So the very first thing that I want to know for this first one is, what is the parent function? We should have gotten x squared. What is h? We should have gotten 2. Is the graph going to go to the left or to the right? We should have gotten to the right. The reason for that is if h is positive, you go to the right. If it's negative, you go to the left. H is always the negative of whatever, or the opposite of whatever you get inside. So remember the equation, f of x equals x minus h squared plus k. Okay, k, what do you think k is? It's positive 3. It's always the same thing as what you are saying. Are we going up or down? We're going up. Perfect. Okay. Now, I want you to go ahead and try the next one. What is our parent function? Absolute value of x. What is h? Negative 1. Are we going to the left or to the right? To the left. What is k? K is negative 8. Is it going up or down? It's going down. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try this next one and tell me, what's your parent function? What is h? Is it going left or right? What is k? Is it moving up and down? Okay, we should have gotten our parent function is x to the third. Our h is negative 6. It is going to the left. Our k is positive 2. It is going up. I can see all of this from just this equation. It tells me whatever I'm looking for. So if I wanted to know what h is, it's just whatever's on this inside. So these two boxes are going to be the same. These two boxes are going to be the same. And by the same, I mean the number itself, not the actual value. The k's are going to be the same, but the h is always going to be the opposite. So I have positive 6 here. Well, it's going to be negative 6 over here. If it is negative, remember, it is going to the left. Think about it. Negative means the left side, right? That if we're on a number line or a coordinate plane, if we are negative, we are headed off to the left. Same thing with k. If it's positive, then we're going up, not down. Okay, go ahead and tell me everything for the next one. We should have gotten absolute value of x, positive 9. It's going to the right, negative 2, and it is going down. Perfect. Go ahead and try the next one. We should have gotten x squared, positive 7. It's going to the right, negative 1. It is going down. Okay, let's try the next one. So tell me my parent function. What is h? What is k? Are we going left or right and up or down? We should have gotten absolute value of x. We are going to negative 2, which means we are going to the left, and negative 4 for k, which means we are going down. What about the next one? X to the third. My h is negative 3. We are going to the left. Negative 6, which means we are going down. So one more time, k, if it's positive, we're going up. If it's negative, we are going down. We are looking at exactly what it says in the problem. For h, we are taking the opposite of what it says. So if it says negative 4, we're going to write h is positive 4. If we have a positive for h, then we're going to the right. If we have a negative, then we are going to the left. Okay, next one. What do you think it is? Absolute value of x, positive 1, which means we are going to the right, and negative 5, which means we are going down. Dang, all these have been down. Okay, next one. Try it out. This one's a little bit harder. The parent function is a to the x So we always just call it a to the x, just like we did in the notes. What is h? H is positive 3. H is whatever is sitting, what color did I use? Right here. Right here. Whatever's right next to the x is my h. My k is always what's off on the end. So my k for this one is positive 12. Looking at this, are we going to the left or to the right? We are going to the right, and we are going up. Very last one, try this one out. Absolute value of x. Positive 5, which means we are going to the right. Positive 9, which means we are going up. Perfect. If you have any questions on this, feel free to send me an email or ask me in class whenever you have class next. Have a good rest of your day.